Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the speech to text program which I have written in JavaScript. The Let me show you the code. The API which we are going to use is Google Speech to Text API. This is the audio file which you are going to convert. Here you can see the details of the audio file. This is the code which detects the speech in the audio file and calls the function. Okay. So let's first hear the audio file which we are going to convert. Until then, I'll go change the.
Every word and phrase he speaks is true. He put his last cartridge into the gun and fired. They took their kids from the public school. Drive the screw straight into the wood. Keep the hatch tight and the watch constant.
You might have got the idea. These are sentences which we are using. Uh, First, we have to set the authentication for Google so that it allows me to use the API. Okay. Remember not to put any quotes in the path name, and then finally the file name. Okay, hit enter. Yes. Now we run the code node speech recognition.js. The runtime environment is node.js, and will take some time because of the internet, but once it's done you will see the transcript in the command line itself. Every word and phrase he speaks is true. He puts his last cartridge into the gun and fired, and etc. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it.